Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I made pumpkin pancakes. They came out pretty darn good. Let me show you how I made them. So first, I have a big bowl and I'm going to add my dry ingredients. This is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And right here I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add that and I'm going to stir it up and combine everything. And then I'm going to set this bowl to the side. Now in a smaller bowl, I'm going to add 1 egg and I'm adding half a cup of pumpkin puree. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter that is slightly cooled off. You do not want to cook your egg. And then I have 3/4 cup of milk. Now I'm going to give everything a nice stir to combine. These are my wet ingredients, and now I'm going to add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. And then I'm going to give them a good stir to combine. Combine everything. And then right here, I have a hot skillet. It's on a medium flame, and I added a tablespoon of butter. And now I'm going to start adding my pancake batter. I have this little pancake dispenser, and if you're interested in it, I'll leave you guys a link in the description box. But it really is helpful when you're making pancakes. So you cook your pancakes until you start to see little bubbles forming on top, and the bubbles are starting to pop. That's when you know it's time to flip them over. And if you see this beautiful golden color, you know you're on the right track. These came out super good. So I added some pecans on top, and then you add your syrup, and these are pumpkin pancakes. Super good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.